Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivosmart 5 and I'm gonna show you how to edit the widgets on this smartband. Before we start, if you want to edit the widgets on this smartband, your band needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. Now, I'm gonna show you how to access the widgets on your smartband. So let's wake up the screen by pressing the button. And once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up or down on the home screen to scroll through the list of widgets. And here we have it. That's how you access the widgets. And we can customize this list. We can edit it. To do it, we need to open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. In the application, let's tap on the menu icon, then scroll down, tap on Garmin devices. Here, let's select the Vivosmart 5 from the list of devices. And on this page, tap on the option called Appearance. Here, tap on Widgets. And this will bring you to this page. And here we can edit the widget page. We can do a couple of things. We can remove the widget, add a widget, and change the order of the widgets on the list. To remove the widget, simply tap on the minus button next to one, like that. To add a new widget, simply tap on the plus button next to one. Okay, like this. And to change the order on the list, simply find the widget you want to move, press and hold on the sorting button next to it. And once you grab it, you can drag it up and down through the list. And once you find the spot you want it to be, you can simply drop it like this. And here we have it. And once you're done customizing, you can go back to the main page of the device page, the Vivosmart page. Make sure that the phone is synced with your smartband. If you're not sure, you can tap on this button right here to sync the devices together. And once they're done syncing, the settings should be applied. So let's wait. And once it's done syncing, we can check. Okay, so it's done. Let's wake up the screen. And as you can see here, we have steps after the date and time. So it worked. That's how you edit the widget list or widgets on this smartband. Okay, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.